Blossom, good morning.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Couple of people here for you.
Yes, Your Honor, I had three, I believe.
Yeah, Belander, Morales, and Smith. You have three.
Mm-hmm.
Morning, Mr. Zimmy.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Ms. Vivian, good morning.
Good morning.
What cases are you here interpreting?
So I'm here on two so far. Pasilas, Dulce Rosas, the case ends in 030. And Avalos, Martin, the case ends in 960.
There are on the docket. So did you need to speak with? 1 second. You need to speak with Smith, or you ready to go, Anthony Smith?
I'm sorry, I did not hear that.
Did you need to speak with Anthony Smith, or you ready to go, Anthony Smith?
We're ready to go on Anthony Smith, Your Honor.
Just chat me that case number.
Yes.
This is case number 240073 SM, People of State of Michigan versus Anthony Sean Smith, appearance director.
Good morning, Your Honor. Bob Zivian for the people.
Good morning, Your Honor. Irene Wassel on behalf of Mr. Smith.
Smith, good morning. State your name for the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. Anthony Tyshawn Smith.
For pre-trial, how are we proceeding?
Your Honor, my client wishes to waive his jury trial right and set the matter for a bench trial.
All right. Please raise your right hand. Or affirm subject to the things and terms of perjury, testimony, give this court be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but truth.
Yes, Your Honor.
Or you may put your right hand down. You have a right to a trial by jury in this case. You understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
We composed of 7 people that live in the city of Pontiac. They'll be randomly selected by your attorney and the prosecutor through a process called voir dire. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
At the end of that process, it's the prosecution's burden to prove you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt of domestic violence second offense. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
At trial, you do have a Fifth Amendment right to remain silent. You don't have to testify. You don't have to present a defense, and your silence at trial cannot be used as guilt against you. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
You may waive that right, testify at your own trial, and or present a defense. You're not required, and no one can force you. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
At the end of that trial, 1 jury will be dismissed, 6 will go and deliberate. The difference between a bench and a jury trial is that in a jury trial, those 6 jurors must return a unanimous verdict of guilty or not guilty. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Fail to do so, court declares a mistrial. Prosecution can try the case again. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
So you're gonna waive the jury and have a bench trial, meaning the judge determine whether you're guilty or not guilty.
Can you repeat that? I'm sorry.
You want to waive the jury and have a bench trial, meaning that a judge will determine whether you're guilty or not guilty.
Yes, Your Honor.
Is anyone promising you anything, threatening you or forcing you to waive the jury?
No, Your Honor.
All right, you're waiving the jury knowingly, intelligently, and voluntarily. Do you understand the consequences of what you're doing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Demi, on behalf of people.
People waive their right to a jury trial, Your Honor.
All right, I find that Mr. Smith waives his trial by jury to bench knowingly, intelligently, and voluntarily. He understood the consequence of doing so. Does not disclose anyone on this record threatening him, promising, or forcing him to waive his right to have a jury trial. So we'll set this down for a bench trial. February 5th, Ms. Wassel at 2.
Hold on just a second, Your Honor. Yes, I can do that, Your Honor.
So, Mr. Smith, I'll see you February 5th at 2 p.m. in person for your bench trial and not be on Zoom. And your
Okay,
bonds continue.
okay,
I'll get a hold of you again, Mr. Smith.
okay, sounds great. I
Thank
appreciate
you.
it.
You're all set. Thank you.
All right, thank you all. Have a good day.
So,
Hello, you hear me?
you're ready on Ms. Morales, Ms. Wassel?
Yes, Your Honor, she will be pleading guilty.
Right. Three OS 30046C, People State of Michigan versus Angelica Maria Morales, appearance for the record.
Bob Zivian for the people, Your Honor.
Irene Wassel on behalf of Ms. Morales.
Ms. Morales, good morning. State your name for the record.
Good morning, Angelica Maria Morales.
We're here for a pretrial. How we proceed?
Your Honor, I don't know if there are any offers, but my client intends to plead guilty.
What is the charge, Your Honor, may I ask?
Failure to display a license. It's a 23 case.
We'll offer an impeding traffic, Your Honor.
Oh, thank you very much, Mr. Zivian. Ma'am, that is a civil infraction. It will not be reported on your record.
Okay, sounds good.
All right, Ms. Morales, please raise your right hand. You swear or affirm subject to the pains and penalties of perjury, testimony you give this court, give the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but truth?
Yes, I do.
All right, you may put your right hand down. Are you admitting responsibility to impeding the traffic in the city of Pontiac on October 20th, 2023?
Yes.
All right, so that's a civil infraction fine, as Ms. Wassel said. It will not abstract to your driving record, no points in your driver's license. It's $175, okay?
Okay.
We'll give you 30 days to have that paid, January 30th. You can pay it online at 50thdistrictcourt.com. You can come to the courthouse and pay it in person, whatever is more convenient for you.
Okay, I want to say thank you to the prosecutor. I forgot to say that. And if I cannot pay it in time for 30 days, can I come in and just like set up a payment plan?
All right. How long? So you come in and set up a payment plan. I just give a deadline. Like I can't. There's so many of these. I don't track them. I just give you a deadline and have to. Do you need another 30 days? Do you need 60 days? Like how long do you need?
Yes, because I do pay rent and I'm working. So I have a couple other payments that I'm making. So maybe about 60 days sounds good. I just don't want to, be late and, not make the deadline for you guys, but I will pay it in full.
So I'll give you to February 23rd.
Okay.
60 days. So.
Okay, I appreciate that.
So you're all set.
All right, thank you.
Merry
guys.
Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Thank you. Take care. Vivian, Avalos is not up until January 7th.
Okay. I'll let the administration office know. So it's January 7th.
It's 9 p.m.
Okay. Is pasillas, dulce rosas pasillas or pasillas?
Yeah, this is not on. See, it's not on. All right, Mr. Walker, we ready on Harry Oliver?
Yes, we are, Your Honor.
Your Honor, if I'm carrying with me a no lay pros signed by Mr. Hall, so can I leave the Zoom room and come into the courtroom with that? For
That's
Mr.
fine,
Oliver?
Yes, that's fine.
Signs the top, I think the other signs up. Yep, that's okay.
Yeah.
Prosecutor, return to Zoom or to stay here to put on the record.
Put on the record here. This is 22046S, I'm sorry, 220462 SM, People of the State of Michigan versus Carrie Lynn Oliver, appearing to the record.
Bob Zivian for the people, Your Honor.
Marilyn Walker Payne on behalf of Carrie Oliver.
All right, so we'll waive her appearance. I have a knowledge of process. You can go ahead and speak.
Thank you very much, Your Honor. I've handed to Your Honor a Holly Cross sign executed by Mr. Hall yesterday. I think it's in the interest of justice, respectfully, that this case be dismissed at our request.
So this matter be dismissed via the knowledge process. This is my copy, correct?
Respectfully, Your Honor, that's all they gave me. That's what so I believe that is the court's copy.
Okay, perfect. Second.
Your Honor, can I return to the comment?
All right. Thank you, prosecutor. All right. I think that's all I have, Judge. Is that correct? The DLC?
That's all you have.
Thank you.
Call attorney Michael Vick. It's a claims off in the jail. Mr. Chung, good morning. Turn your camera on. Get ready for your case.
Or tell Angie, please.
You know you gotta clock out.
They're gonna have to wait. I'm trying to.
Chung, you off mute and I'm ready.
Who's your doctor?
Yes. One second. I'm trying to. Come on. Okay.
250S22657. People State of Michigan versus Janae Rochelle Chung. Ma'am, state your name.
Janae Chung.
You owe $160 on this defective equipment ticket. When can you have it paid?
Okay, what is this from? I actually came up to the courthouse to try to figure out what this was for.
It was tint on your window, I guess. This is a tinted window ticket. You got this on August 19th to 25,
Yeah.
and it's $160.
Okay, yes, I was told to get a prescription from my doctor,
Yes,
and that's what I did.
You had a formal hearing back on November 18th, and you missed me. What happened?
I didn't
Where's that
get
court
that
date?
court date.
Got your address is 236 Carriage Circle. That's where we sent. Is that wrong?
Yes, that's my address. I didn't receive that information in the mail,
So when I received this information for this, that said the motion thing, I was unaware. That's why I came up to the courthouse to see what it was about. And they said I didn't show up to court. And I'm thinking they were talking about the court date that was dismissed when I came. I didn't know anything about the other court date.
So what happens is you got written for attending windows, you got one ticket. And you were set for a pre-hearing conference in September. That was your chance to talk to the officer and figure out what you needed to do to resolve this ticket. You didn't show up to that. Then we set it for formal hearing. That's another opportunity to talk to the prosecutor. You could talk to the prosecutor at that point and see if you can resolve this ticket. You didn't show up there. And so that's why you got the show cause.
Okay, I spoke with someone. They told me to get a prescription because I did show up to one of these court days for the 10th. They told me to get a prescription from the doctor. And then when I get back to court to show it to the judge of the 10th prescription or whatever.
What I'll do is, got the prescription. I'm gonna set this for January. I'm vocally telling you that the hearing is gonna be, I'll give you the 22nd at 9:00 a.m. in the morning on Zoom. I'm vocally telling you it's gonna be on this same Zoom on the 22nd of January at 9:00. So you should write that down. And then
Okay.
have that prescription. So
I already
we can,
have
take
it.
Right,
I have
but
it already.
did you bring it to the court?
Did I bring it up there? No.
Okay, so we need that.
So can I just bring it like after work?
Yeah, but you still gotta come to formal hearing because the ticket is still in the power of the prosecutor.
Okay. So you said the 22nd at 9 a.m.?
22nd of January, 9:00 on this very Zoom for formal hearing.
Okay.
Here's something in the mail too with it, but I'm telling you to write it down so you know, just in case.
Yes, I wrote it down.
A second. What's up?
I'm sorry, it keeps cutting off.
I said you're all set, you're good to go.
Okay, thank you.
And here. Number 250347 SD, People State of Michigan versus Donald Dwayne Hammond, appearance the record.
Bob Zivian for the people, Your Honor.
Hillary Becker on behalf of Mr. Heyman. Good morning, Your Honor. We do consent to these Zoom video proceedings. Mr. Heyman, can you please state your name for the record?
Donald Dwayne Hammond.
Your Honor,
Saying the fact you got an opportunity to read the pre-sentence report, any corrections, deletion, or alteration need to be made?
none that I've been made aware of, Your Honor.
Mr. Zibby, you got an opportunity to read the pre-sentence report?
Yes, Your Honor. We ask the court to follow the recommendation.
All right. Anything on Mr. Hammond's behalf?
Your Honor, I think the recommendation is appropriate. Your Honor, he's indicated to me he has 10 months sober, that he's been going to the Serenity Club, that he finds it very helpful, that he has made some positive connections there and he intends to continue going. That this, I believe, is his rock bottom, for lack of better words, Your Honor. And he really wants to do better and get his life back on track. Thank you.
In addition, on behalf of the people?
No, thank you, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Hammond, you'd like to say anything for our poll sentence?
Can I take my time briefly, please?
Yes, you may. Go ahead.
So it's been a life changer, and I know I really messed up, and by me seeing that I was blacking out and having seizures and acting crazy, talking crazy, and people having to tell me the actions that I've done and said to people, and it's a whole lot. These 10 months of being sober, I really got a chance to gain a new perspective on the rest of my life. Just turning 51 today, and it'll be total insanity for me to go back to alcoholism. But I am an alcoholic, and I'm admitting that, and I just want to continue to get better.
That first step is acknowledgement, and then it's all uphill from that aspect. And happy birthday, and just keep it positive. Keep on that positive track.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Recommendation from probation is 1 year reporting probation, that you abstain from alcohol and drugs, submit to alcohol testing through a sober link device, continue with your substance abuse treatment, follow all recommendations with proof to probation monthly, just have them provide a monthly progress report on how you're doing and all that. Drive without valid license, registration, insurance, no new offenses, and appropriate fines, fees, and costs be assessed, plus the $75 crime victim rights fee. I'll adopt that recommendation. So it'll be a year of reporting probation, not to violate any criminal law of any government unit, do not leave the state without the consent of this court, make a true report to probation monthly or as often as the probation officer may require, whether that's in person or in writing. If your address changed, phone number, if you're going to school, if you're doing anything, just let us know immediately. No use of alcohol or unprescribed controlled substance. You will submit to just random alcohol testing through a sober link device. Continue your substance abuse programming and counseling. Just have them submit a monthly progress report to us. No new offenses and no driving without valid license, registration, insurance. Your fines and costs are as follows: $75 crime victim. There's no restitution. $50 minimum state costs. Excess of $200 fine. Waived with $150 in court costs. There's a $480 supervision fee. So I kept them kind of as low as I possibly could. That's a total $105. Normally that's due on the day it's assessed, but we'll break that out to a payment plan of $67.08 per month, and we'll begin that next month. So you have any questions?
Did I receive all this information in the mail or via email?
They update you on this. Normally, I'll just I ask people to just call in and can you get a copy of the order of probation? There is a copy that can be sent to you. So I'll just make sure I press down hard on them so you can see your returns, but they can mail this to you. Okay, well, they will, you know. So you're all set, sir. Take
Thank
care.
you.
Once again, happy birthday, happy holiday.
Thank you, Your Honor. Same to you.
Thank you. Take care.
Your Honor, I have no idea what happened. The screen froze. I'm sorry about that.
Okay, we're all set on Mr. Hammond.
Well, actually, I didn't hear past the monthly reporting. So if there was information past that you conveyed to my client, I need to make sure that I hear it.
Bag. I know you're pausing you. That's up. Sorry, but it's 800. So $75 crime victim, 50 state, 200 fine, 480 supervision fee, total of 805, $67.08 per month beginning next month. And he is not to pick up new offenses, and he's not to drive without valid license, registration, insurance. I wish them a Merry Christmas, a happy birthday, and send them on his way.
Oh, thank you, Your Honor. I appreciate it. I just want to make sure since it disconnected, I don't know what happened. It went frozen and then disconnected. So thank you for that. I appreciate it. And I hope everyone has a Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, and Happy Holidays.
You too.
You too, Ms. Becker.
Thank you very much. Everybody stay safe.
You too. Thank you.
Thank you.
I always forget this one. All right. Ready on 1715 SM, People State of Michigan versus Lorenzo Mario Anthony, appearance of the record.
Bob Zivian for the people.
Michael Dick on behalf of Mr. Anthony.
Mr. Anthony, good morning. State your name.
Lorenzo Mario Anthony.
Sentencing, Mr. Dick, you had an opportunity to read the report. Go over with Mr. Anthony. Any correction, deletion, alteration need to be made?
Your Honor, I don't believe there was a PSI that was done in this case.
Okay. I believe you're correct because I believe you want to give the people time to reach out to the complainant.
That's correct, Your Honor.
Yeah, Margaret Hall. So I see a Langland. No. But telecommunication malicious use. There's no PSI because I thought I wanted to give complainant some time to appear. Okay, so you got one on the phone here. It's September 17th. Anything on behalf of the people?
No, Your Honor, I reviewed Ms. Kamaj's notes and there's just nothing regarding sentencing.
Anything on behalf of defense?
Just that my client has been incarcerated since September 15th. I know there are a couple other matters that are noted on the Oakland County Jail website. My understanding is that the Wayne County cases would not accept or would not take him. From my understanding, the intention is for him to be brought or him to just appear after he's released from Oakland County Jail. My understanding is that there is no plan for him to be picked up from Wayne County. Or Wayne County's not going to pick him up. I know there's one of the matters in Arnett County was another matter. I believe it was a felony, but I did look that up. That's just a failure to pay fines and costs. My client is aware of that and note that he needs to take care of that. He'll need to take care of that as part of his probation through 46th District Court, which he's scheduled to begin as soon as he's released from Oakland County Jail through Judge Johnson. So we are asking for time served, Your Honor, and allow him to complete his term of probation through 46th District Court.
Say something. Say anything, Mr. Anthony?
Yes, I wanted to apologize to the claiming victim education for my behavior. I was going through a mental spell. I went on taking my medication. My mother had died, and it kind of made me depressed, and I lost touch with my conscious of empathizing with other people when they've been harassed or violated their workplace, just on the issue of
So we'll sentence him to 98 days, Oakland County Jail, credit for 98 days served, fines and costs waived in lieu of jail time, so he's all set.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Yeah, thank you. So, Mr. Anthony, thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
So. So we can call when.
Yes, Your Honor.
70278B, People State of Michigan versus Shania Arjane Ayana Blander, appearance of the record.
Bob Zivian for the people, Your Honor.
Good morning, Your Honor. Irene Mossel on behalf of Ms. Blanda.
Have you spoken to Ms. Blander?
I did yesterday, Your Honor. She knows this date, so I don't know what happened.
It's a 48-hour bench warrant, bond is forfeited, bond is $500 cash, and then be a 48-hour bench warrant, cash bond of $15 on her show cause ticket, the $60 bench warrant fee is assessed.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, so you're all set, Ms. Watson. Thank you.
Okay, Merry Christmas, everyone.
You too.
Thank you.
Or if you're not playing. message from Miss Isha.
Miss Vivian, ready? I don't know what Miss Ishak is. Don't know when she's coming, so we're gonna adjourn this to the 20th of January. So we'll put that on the record.
Ok, vamos a aplazar su caso, señorita Pasillas. Yo soy su intérprete.
Okay.
We're going to adjourn your case. I'm your interpreter.
25A1-00030A. People State of Michigan versus Dolce Rosas Pacilis. Appearance to the record.
Bob Zivian for the people.
Este es el caso de la Fiscalía del Estado de Michigan en contra Dulce Rosas Pasillas, 25A100030A. Comparecencias, por favor. Bob Zivian representando la Fiscalía.
Vivian, do you swear or affirm, subject to the principles of perjury, that you have been and will continue to translate English to Spanish, Spanish to English truthfully and to the best of your ability?
I do.
Please state your name for the record. Have Ms. Pacilis state her name for the record.
My first name's Antonia. My last name is Vivian, Vivian. Señorita Pasillas, diga cómo se llama usted que consta en acta.
Dulce Esperanza Rosas Pasillas.
Dulce Esperanza Rosas Pasillas.
All right. Her case is being adjourned to January 20th, and that'll be at 9 a.m. on Zoom. We'll have an interpreter.
Su caso es aplazado para el 20 de enero a las 9 de la mañana y va a ser en Zoom. Vamos a poner una intérprete por usted.
Okay.
Okay.
She's all set. Thank you.
Okay, usted está lista. Gracias.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. Thank you, Ms. Baby. She can hang up.
Usted puede colgar, se puede desconectar.
Okay. ¿Sería todo por hoy?
Is that all for today?
Yes.
Sí, así es.
Okay. Okay, gracias.
Okay, thank you. Okay, everyone have a great holiday season. Thank you.
So, thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Take care. All right, and then Alana Pollard, bringing her in.
Hey, AI, finish this break job.
Unable to complete.
Hey AI, weld this joint.
Task not recognized.
Ms. Pollard, good morning. We're ready for your case. Can you hear me?
Yes.
All right. 240-781-7, People State of Michigan versus Alana Pollard, appearance to the record.
Bob Zivian for the people.
Ms. Pollard, please state your name for the record.
Alana Tasha Pollard.
All right, we're going to adjourn your case to January 20th. I don't know where your attorney is, your public defender attorney is, so she'll be in my court on the 20th of January, so we'll adjourn to that day, okay?
Okay, thank you.
So you'll receive notice in the mail. Let me confirm your address. We have you on Webb, 513 Webb, is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right, so you'll receive that in a minute, but the date is January 20th at 9 a.m. on this same Zoom, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. You're all set. Bye. Continue.
Okay. Exit.
Mr. Thomas is at 10 o'clock. Turn your camera on. We're ready for your case.
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Thomas.
I'll text him, Your Honor. Judge, do you want me to call him?
That's gonna be an adjournment.
Yes, he's scheduled in January for a pre-trial.
Understand why he's not by his phone. 231-667 SM, People State of Michigan versus Corshawn Joseph Thomas, appearance of the record.
Bob Zivian for the people, Your Honor.
And good morning, Your Honor. Cecilia Karen Dongo up here on behalf of Mr. Thomas. He turned his camera on, Your Honor.
Thomas, take your head off, man. We ready. Take your head off, sir.
Hey, how you doing, sir?
Well, remove your hat.
Yes.
Your name for the record.
Question, Thomas. I
So
did.
I see he has a case. His case is still pending, and he has a date set for the 8th, I believe.
That's correct. He's scheduled for January 7th. He's telling me they're working on a plea. So I was hopeful at the end of January we should have an answer, Your Honor.
Willard, adjourn this case. What Tuesday and Thursday, or Thursday in January works for you, Ms. Karen Docket? I'm not here the 15th conference.
Can we do the 27th?
10 o'clock.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. Thank you.
All right. Thank you.
Have a good day.
All right.
You too. Take care, Ms. Karen Docket.
Yes, Judge.
Karen Docket. Take care.
Yeah, thank you, Your Honor.
Vivian, that's all.
Until 11 o'clock, Your Honor?
Yep, until 11.
I will be. I'll be.
That's a stipulated order, you know.
This is for Judge Gross case.
Yeah, so I figured you'd want to sign it. If you want to pick a date and I can get it back, Mr. Rycott.
Okay.
Is there anything you want to take down?
It's right here. All right, yes, Mr. David, we're all set. Till 11.
On the words.
Ms. Neal, what date does she want? She wanted the. She said 27?
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Have a good day, so you smell us.
Ready for the show clock.
Yes.
OS 24774A, People State of Michigan versus Zhen Chen, 24OS 24636A and B, People's State of Michigan versus Christian Omar Delgado. 24OS 24303A, People's State of Michigan versus Andre Dewan Dixon Jr. 22OS 25517C, People's State of Michigan versus Mauro Gomez Bazan. 25OS 23991A and B, People's State of Michigan versus Caitlin Marie Holder. 21OS 07521A, People's State of Michigan versus Ryan Michael Martin. 24OS 22066A, People's State of Michigan versus Sharmita Rouser. All failed to appear for show calls. They were supposed to be here at 9. It's currently 10:05. They failed to appear on Zoom, failed to appear in the court, called the court and advised their whereabouts. Therefore, in each matter, there will be a 48-hour bench warrant, cash bond as follows. Zin Zin Chin, 48-hour bench warrant, cash bond, $222, $60 bench warrant fee is assessed. Delgado, ticket A, 48-hour bench warrant, cash bond of $243.60. $60 bench warrant fee is assessed. Ticket B, 48-hour bench warrant, cash bond, $252, $60 bench warrant fee is assessed. Dixon, 48-hour bench warrant, cash bond of $180, $60 bench warrant fee is assessed. Gomez Bazan, 48-hour bench warrant, cash bond of $120, $60 bench warrant fee is assessed. Holder and ticket A, 48-hour bench warrant, cash bond of $220, $60 bench warrant fee is assessed. Ticket B, 48-hour bench warrant, cash bond, $280, $60 bench warrant fee is assessed. Martin, 48-hour bench warrant, cash bond of $324, $60 bench warrant fee is assessed. And Rouser, 48-hour bench warrant, cash bond of $252, $60 bench warrant fee is assessed. That will conclude the show cause. Right.
Yeah, I'm ready to call it.
Ready in Mr. Lewis' case? Okay. Mr. Lewis, please stand. This is, yeah,
Yes, Sean.
251444 FY People State of Michigan versus Clifton Dr. Lewis. Charged with one count of controlled substance, possession of cocaine, heroin, or another narcotic less than 25 grams. Here's to the record.
Observing for the people, Your Honor. And good morning, Your Honor. Max Manugian appearing on behalf of Clifton Lewis. Mr. Lewis, please state your name for the record. Clifton Dante Lewis.
We're here for an exam. How is proceeding?
Respectfully, Your Honor, if I may make a very brief record. As the court knows, I'm substituting for Ms. Kamaj today. I want the court to know that when this case was set at a probable cause conference, that Ms. Kamaj immediately sent out subpoenas to the following Deputy Astor, Deputy Kelsey Brown, Deputy Evans, and Deputy Mary. I believe that Asker is the OIC. I have to report to the court, this case was set for 11 o'clock this morning. Mr. Manugian's here, his client is here. And I've searched the building and I spoke to the officer who's manning the front door. And I have to tell the court, none of the witnesses I need to see are present. I'm anticipating a motion from counsel. Your Honor, I would move to dismiss.
All right, Frank, defense motion to dismiss. This matter is dismissed without prejudice. The prosecution can refile this case if they want to, Mr. Lewis, but until then, it's closed. Is that?
Yes, sir.
All right, you're all set.
Please go home. Yep. Thank you. Merry Christmas, Sister Lewis. Thank you, sir.
Take care. Yeah.
Have a beautiful day.
You too. Thank you.
Thank you, now. Have a good one, Mr. Lewis. Beautiful guard. I do, not from the ground, I have to
Take me up, Karen.
Oh, yeah. I can give it to him. If he wants to,
$251,330, and 5 people said Mr. Rashid Raheem Young. Count 1, interfering with electronic communications. Count 2, domestic violence. Stand to the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. Bob Zivian. And good morning as well, Your Honor. Andrew Mikas on behalf of Raheem Young, who stands present at counsel's table. Raheem, would you state your name for the record? Yes, Raheem Young.
We are here for exam. How we proceed.
Your Honor, respectfully, we're not ready to go forward. If I may make a very brief record. I'm substituting to Ms. Kamara.
A powerful sheriff, mired in allegations of corruption, loses a contentious fight to hold on to his position. A brave police captain vowing to